It is important to maintain a balanced pH level in the body for optimal health and well-being. The pH scale measures the acidity or alkalinity of a substance, ranging from 0 to 14. A pH of 7 is considered neutral, with values below 7 being acidic and values above 7 being alkaline. The body's natural inclination is to maintain a pH level of approximately 7.4, which is slightly alkaline. On the other hand, contemporary diets that consist of processed foods, sugars, and animal products can cause the body to become more acidic. This imbalance can lead to a range of health problems, such as inflammation, fatigue, and a weakened immune system. Choosing the right foods can help create a more alkaline environment in your body. Fruits and vegetables are commonly known for their ability to alkalize the body, but it's worth noting that certain grains also contribute to maintaining a healthy pH balance. This article will discuss 4 alkaline grains that can help balance your pH levels and promote overall health. 1. Quinoa. Quinoa, pronounced quinoa, is commonly known as a super grain because of its exceptional nutritional value. Quinoa, despite being a seed, is often considered a whole grain and is known for its alkalizing properties. Quinoa is a protein powerhouse containing all 9 essential amino acids that are necessary for the body's optimal functioning. This is a great protein source for vegetarians and vegans. Quinoa is packed with a variety of essential nutrients, including fiber, magnesium, manganese, phosphorus, and iron. Its high magnesium content is especially helpful in supporting healthy blood pressure and muscle function. Quinoa has a gentle alkaline effect on the body, which helps balance out any excess acidity. Its nutrient density helps support the body's natural detoxification processes, making it easier to maintain a healthy pH balance. Quinoa is a grain that is free from gluten, which makes it a great option for people who have sensitivities to gluten. It is easy to digest and can be used in a variety of ways. Quinoa is versatile and can be incorporated into a wide range of meals, from morning to evening. Start your day off right with a delicious and nutritious breakfast option, quinoa porridge topped with almond milk, berries, and a touch of cinnamon. Quinoa is versatile and can be used in various ways for lunch or dinner. It can serve as a base for salads, be mixed with roasted vegetables, or added to soups and stews. With its light and fluffy texture and a delightful nutty flavor, it is a wonderful and healthy choice to enhance any meal. 2. Millet. Millet is a grain with a long history of cultivation spanning thousands of years. It is widely included in various traditional diets globally and is currently becoming more popular due to its numerous health benefits and alkalizing properties. Millet contains a variety of important nutrients such as magnesium, phosphorus, manganese, and B vitamins. Additionally, it contains a generous amount of antioxidants that aid in shielding the body against oxidative stress and inflammation. Millet's fiber-rich composition promotes healthy digestion and contributes to heart health by reducing cholesterol levels. Millet is a highly alkaline grain, which can help individuals maintain a balanced pH level. One reason for its alkalizing effect is its rich mineral content, especially magnesium, which can help balance acidity in the body. In addition, millet is free of gluten, which makes it a good choice for people with celiac disease or gluten sensitivities. Millet is a highly adaptable grain that can be incorporated into a wide range of recipes, whether you're craving something sweet or savory. You can cook it in a similar way to rice or quinoa and use it as a foundation for grain bowls, stir-fries, or pilafs. You can make a delicious breakfast by preparing millet as a warm porridge with honey, nuts, and dried fruit. Additionally, it can be easily ground into flour and incorporated into baking recipes as a healthy and gluten-free substitute for wheat flour. 3. Amaranth. Amaranth, like other ancient grains, has been highly regarded for its nutritional benefits throughout history. This pseudo-cereal is similar to quinoa and is well known for its high protein content and alkalizing properties. Amaranth contains a variety of essential nutrients such as protein, fiber, iron, magnesium, phosphorus, and manganese. This grain is rich in lysine, an essential amino acid that is often deficient in other grains. Amaranth is packed with antioxidants and phytochemicals that help support its anti-inflammatory and immune-boosting properties. Amaranth helps to balance the body's pH levels by reducing acidity, promoting a more alkaline environment. The mineral content, particularly magnesium, is crucial for maintaining alkaline balance. In addition, amaranth is free of gluten, which makes it a great choice for individuals with dietary restrictions. Amaranth can be easily prepared like other grains and incorporated into a wide range of dishes. With its delightful nutty flavor and satisfying chewy texture, it effortlessly enhances the taste of salads, soups, and casseroles. You can make a delicious breakfast by cooking amaranth as a porridge. Just add coconut milk, fresh fruit, and a drizzle of maple syrup. Additionally, it can be popped like popcorn for a satisfying crunch or ground into flour for baking that is free of gluten. 4. Teff. Teff, a small grain with a rich history in Ethiopia, has been a staple in their diet for centuries. Teff is a nutrient-rich grain with powerful alkalizing properties despite its small size. Teff contains a variety of nutrients including protein, fiber, iron, calcium, and essential amino acids. This food contains a significant amount of resistant starch, a type of fiber that promotes a healthy gut and aids in regulating blood sugar levels. Teff is a great source of B vitamins, which play a crucial role in energy production and maintaining good health. Teff has a slightly alkaline nature, which makes it a beneficial choice for those following an alkaline-promoting diet. The mineral content, including calcium and magnesium, helps the body maintain a balanced pH level. In addition, teff is free from gluten, which makes it suitable for individuals with gluten intolerance or celiac disease. Teff has a wide range of uses, including traditional Ethiopian injera, porridges, and baked goods. The flavor is gentle and subtly sweet, making it a great match for both sweet and savory ingredients. A healthy and filling choice for breakfast is teff porridge with cinnamon, nuts, and dried fruit. You can use teff flour to make pancakes, muffins, and breads. It's a great gluten-free option instead of wheat flour. Tips for incorporating alkaline grains into your diet. 1. Start with breakfast. Incorporate alkaline grains like quinoa, millet, or amaranth into your breakfast routine. Try making a warm porridge with your favorite toppings or add cooked grains to smoothies for an extra nutrient boost. Experiment with recipes. Don't be afraid to try new recipes that feature alkaline grains. There are countless ways to prepare these grains, from grain bowls and salads to soups, stews, and baked goods. 3. Batch cook. Cook a large batch of your favorite alkaline grain at the beginning of the week and store it in the fridge. This makes it easy to add a nutritious, alkaline-promoting component to your meals throughout the week. 4. Combine with vegetables. Pairing alkaline grains with fresh vegetables enhances their health benefits and provides a balanced, nutrient-dense meal. Have you tried quinoa, millet, amaranth, or teff before? Let us know in the comments how you incorporate these powerhouse grains into your diet. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more health and wellness tips. See you in the next video.